So I'm out here at a job today in Camden for a customer who's just gone over to NBN fibre to the node. Now, he had NBN out here about 2 or 3 days ago. The tech came inside. He said everything worked for a second while the tech was here, and then it went out, and the tech said he was going out to do something in the street, and he went out in the street, and then he never came back, and nothing's worked since. So he's called me out because he thought it might have been a problem with his internal cabling. So he's only got a single socket and it's going to a lead-in cable. Now we've had to come to the pit here just to do this one. So this cable here is the cable going back into the pipe here, going back into the customer's premises, and I've got a toner on underneath his house. Okay, oh, thanks man. And you can hear that I've got a nice clean tone coming in, dead spot in the middle. Right, so that cable's fine going in, but the cable, the leading cable here, it was connected on the blue white under the house, but that's why I'm testing the red black there, just to see if that cable is good too. That's why the tone's on it. But you can see I've got my alligator clips connected to my DSL tester, and that's not syncing at all. So that's on the blue white, and there's nothing going on that. So I'm just going to quickly check on the red black just to see if there's anything on that as well. But there's definitely nothing going on here. This is a network issue. See now, I've still got the link light flashing, and I've got that connected to the red black on the network side of that leading cable, and you can see there's still nothing here. So this is a ISP's Tangerine, and we don't want this to become a ping pong match, you know, back and forward. So we just wanted to get some proof today that this is actually what the case is. There's just nothing going on here. So Tangerine, you're gonna have to get this one fixed up. So inside the customer's house, you can see here the actual lead-in cable. Now that goes to a join just underneath the house under here. So I've got it going in on the red black to the join, and then from the join it goes onto the blue white out to the street. Just because there's not much room on this lead-in cable, and the red black's a bit longer. It's not because the other one was testing faulty, it's just because there was a bit more length on it. So I've actually swapped the socket over as well, put a new socket in, so I replaced this thing. So everything's up to date basically. The cable from here out to the street is okay, so it's from the street to the node where the issue is. So this is not an internal cabling issue. Okay.